Hi friends! Welcome to Kitty's Fruit Garden. I'm Kitty, and today we're going to have so much fun planting something super special. Apples! Yummy! We're going to plant an apple tree right here. But first, let me show you all the things we need. Are you ready? Let's go! Here's what we'll need. An apple sapling, a baby apple tree. Some soil to help the tree grow big and strong, a shovel to dig a little hole, and of course my watering can. Now we need to make a nice cozy hole for our tree to live in. This is where the tree's roots will go, so it can grow nice and tall, just like the apple trees you see in orchards. Look, our little apple tree is in place. Now let's cover it with some soil to make sure it stays snug and comfy. There we go, all nice and cozy. But wait, we need to water it. Every plant needs water to grow. And guess what? Apple trees love a good drink. Time to give our little apple tree a nice drink. Ah, look at that. Now it's ready to start growing and getting bigger every day. And that's how you plant an apple tree. Isn't it fun to help plants grow? Now, we just need to take care of it by watering it every day and making sure it gets lots of sunshine. One day, it'll have juicy apples and we can share them with all our friends. Today in Kitty's Fruit Garden. I can't wait to show you more adventures as we plant, grow, and taste all kinds of fruits together. See you next time when we plant a new fruit. Bye-bye! Subscribe for more fruity fun.